Your brain is your reality machine. It processes truth, or so you believe. But what happens when truth is fluid, facts are flexible, and lies are indistinguishable from evidence? Welcome, brain cell ballers, to the post-truth era, where your mind is not just vulnerable, it might be your greatest liability. Let's get this straight. Your brain didn't evolve to uncover universal truths. It evolved to survive, to make fast decisions, even if they're wrong. Evolutionary psychologist Steven Pinker calls it adaptive rationality. You didn't need to know the tiger's velocity, just when to run. In today's world, that wiring betrays us. We seek confirmation, not contradiction. We cling to tribal opinions, not tested facts. And we're addicted to simplicity, even when the world is painfully complex. Your brain wants to feel right, more than it wants to be right. The internet was supposed to democratize truth. Instead, it commodified it. In the age of infinite content, attention is currency, and outrage buys the most of it. Falsehoods on Twitter, now X, spread 6 times faster than facts, according to MIT research. AI-generated deepfakes? Now so real, even forensic software gets fooled. And who benefits? Not your brain, but platforms, politicians, algorithms. It's no longer about what's true. It's about what's trending. Even without tech, your brain struggles with truth. Cognitive biases run the show. Confirmation bias. You believe what you already agree with. Availability bias. What's vivid feels true. Dunning-Kruger effect. The less we know, the more confident we get. Neuroscientist David Eagleman says our brains live in subjective bubbles, built from memories, assumptions, and emotions. In short, we're all hallucinating slightly different realities. In a post-truth era, those hallucinations collide. Online, at the ballot box, in families, truth isn't broken, trust is. But here's the hopeful twist. We can train our minds. Cognitive scientists now recommend epistemic humility. Admit you could be wrong. Slow thinking. Pause before sharing, reacting, judging. Bias awareness. Spot your mental blind spots. Some schools are teaching media literacy as early as grade 4. Some countries are building fact-checking AI into national curricula. This isn't just defense against misinformation, it's mental evolution. So brain cell ballers, here's your real challenge. Can you trust your brain enough to doubt it? In a world where facts are filtered and truths are tailored, self-awareness is rebellion. Critical thinking is power, and curiosity might just save us. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you believe we still live in an age of truth or tribal narratives? Smash that subscribe button for more mental upgrades and stay sharp. Because in the age of noise, discernment is your superpower.